Hey everyone, this is Dero from Daily Crypto Trader, and this come to you live from Bangkok, Thailand, guys. Wow, this is like a freight train coming down the tracks at 100 million miles an hour. We got a huge Samsung announcement that's going to blow your mind, and this could have a huge positive repercussions down the line for cryptocurrency. So if you're psyched and you're pumped and you want to hear all the news, guys, get ready to go down the crypto rabbit hole with OG. You know what? You want it. I want it. Let's get it, guys. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Just to OG in-house expressing my opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. Good morning, good evening, Wales. Good morning, community out there. Thanks for dropping in. Thanks for watching. Let's get this video. And don't forget to watch to the end, guys. Smash the likes and boop the likes and subscribe. OMG, we're seeing that right now. We're seeing that the broader markets have tankity tank, and they're going down, and we can hear the bottom, guys. Bang, wham, bam. Thank you, man. Looks like the broader markets are going down. We're seeing the Dow Jones is now down over 437 points. That's a Debbie Downer. OMG. We're seeing that the S&P is tankity tank down 1.52%, and we're also seeing that the Nasdaq is getting beaten up out there, buck wild in the house. So we're also seeing that it looks like the city projects UK inflation to breach 18% in January. Ouch. So guys, if you're living in the UK, I'm making a recommendation. Get out of the UK, pack your bags, get yourself down to Bangkok, Thailand, guys, because it is a great time over here, guys. And we're not looking at 18%. We're lucky if we're talking about 4.2 to 5% inflation. That's doable, guys. That's absolutely doable. So if you're in the UK and you guys are gonna have a gas crisis, so you guys are gonna be cold as ice in the winter because Putin the madman is gonna turn off the gas, guys. So get on over to Bangkok where it's always hot, because Bangkok has two seasons, hot and incredibly hot out there. And if you take a look at it, there's so much red. We take a look at the heat map right now. We're seeing Ethereum is tanking. We're seeing BTC is also not looking too good. It's down about 0.69%. But BNB is, what's going on with BNB? We're going to talk about that, guys and gals. Don't forget, with the PCI data that's coming out on Friday, it's going to be good. The data is going to be good, but that's not going to be good because it's going to say that the U.S. economy is getting better. And when that happens, it's going to push the DXY up. And that's going to put a lot of pressure on Bitcoin, and crypto will be going down. So, and it's also not going to be good for the trade surplus as well, because it's going to cost a lot of money to export U.S. goods overseas, and people don't want to buy stuff that's expensive, particularly when we're seeing all the economies melting down like crazy out there. And guys, just look at this global central bank update. China cuts the rates again by another basis points to 3.65. Guys, it is insane in the membrane. But look at these interest rates, guys. Like look at Argentina, the CPI. Look at the Argentina central bank rate is 69%. OMG, inflation must be just insane in the membrane. But look at Switzerland. You put money, it's like minus. So what's going on with that? And if you put money in the UK, you're going to get 1.75%. But guys, this makes me chuckle. The inflation rate is 18%. Okay, so and you're only getting 1.75%. So it's a losing game. It's just crazy. It's crazy. Why would you want to keep money in the bank? Huge breaking news: Samsung Securities is launching Bitcoin and cryptocurrency exchange, guys. This is big. Samsung is one of the biggest companies, one of the top companies on planet Earth out there. And if Samsung Securities is launching Bitcoin and crypto exchange, this is huge, guys. This is huge because it means that Korea and Samsung are going to mainstream. And listen, remember, a lot of people are walking around with Samsung devices on planet Earth, and if Samsung Securities starts to integrate crypto and they start to integrate that into all the Samsung phones, that is going to be a huge leap, a huge platform boost, and that's going to be an incredible moment for cryptocurrency, guys. Because how many people are using Samsung phones? A ton. So that is huge, guys. Absolutely huge. Also, just in 7 large share brokerage firms in Korea are also launching their own cryptocurrencies exchange in early 2023. So like I said, Q1 2023, we're going to see cryptocurrency, we're going to see Bitcoin, we're going to see the Dogecoin to the moon. Guys, it's going to be explosion time. So billionaires are going to be made, millionaires are going to be made. Guys, buy the freaking dips right now. Dollar cost average and hodl like a madman, guys. Hodl. like a madman. So, not much has changed for me, and this is from Castillo Trading. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. Not much has changed for me. We are still sitting at lower limit support, and this isn't something I'd like to short. So right now we're kind of in this lower limit support, and here we're going to see a lot of chop, a lot of volatility, and it's going to be a huge meat grinder. So if you're leverage trading in this zone now, you're going to get wreckety wreck. You're going to get ground up and spit out like yesterday's newspaper, guys. So stay out of leverage trading because this is going to be a fake out chop zone, guys. So you get ready to be chopped, guys. Chop, like the Halloween massacre out there, guys. So don't be trading in this lower limit zone. So anything in this lower limit loan zone from 20,000 to 21,200, this is the chop zone. Chop zone. So if you're trading inside this zone, chop. You're going to get chopped. Chop. So, from my perspective, don't do anything right now. Stay on the sidelines. Stay absolutely on the sidelines. We could see the market makers even push us lower, guys. And we could be going down to, this level here, which is like 19,000, 18,000. We could be seeing that, guys. So do not do anything right now. That's not financial advice. That's what the OG is doing. Also coming in, I did talk about this, but I think it's worth mentioning again. Looks like Bitcoin and guys, in the last 10 years, look at gold. Goldie Woldy out there has only gone up 7.8%. So you're losing money. Look at the inflation rate, 8.1%. So you're not making money with gold. And a lot of gold bugs are probably going to comment like, oh, what a nitpick. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Gold is good. Well, no, it's not, because Bitcoin is up 225,000%. So come on. So, it is what it is. And the long-term narrative for Bitcoin is positive. It is bullish. It's going up. Even though we got a lot of choppity chop right now, we're still seeing that itty bitty baby is still strong, guys. It's still strong. I mean, right now we're definitely in the chop zone. Stay away from the chop zone. And, I'm not going to be touching, Bitcoin. Wait till Bitcoin goes back up to here. Remember, only like last week, we were up like $25,000. That was only 15th of August, guys. 15th of August. Not too long ago. And we've just been going down, down since then. So, the market makers are building up positions, building up liquidity. And you're going to see a lot of shorts, guys. A lot of knuckleheads are going to be shorting the Bitcoin because they think it's going to go down. It may just go down, but we could see a pump, fake out, bang, boom. And Hunter Wicks could be also put in play. Remember, Thursday is a big reversal week, so keep an eye on that. And we got this we got the inflation data that's coming out as well, right? So it is what it is, guys and gals. So, come on. Also, this coming in, right, it looks like a stock lizard money, Bitcoin pattern recognition. They repeat over and over, strong buy signal by the MACD, guys. So the MACD is looking pretty good. And this is on the weekly time frame. So the MACD is looking healthy. We're getting reversal signal. And we've seen before, we had this, 175 days, minus 50 cents, double bottom. And then, we had this pump up to the all-time highs here. Now we're seeing a double bottom here. How many days we're going to have to wait to see a reversal? I don't know at this point, but definitely mark your calendars. Q1 next year is going to be some serious pumpage. We're just going to get a lot of choppy chop. And last time, we had more than 3 years ago, followed by a strong bull phase, 20x, guys. So we just see 20x rise from there. So let's take a look what's going on with Bitcoin on a weekly right now. So I'm going to allow it. So if you take a look at Bitcoin, if you look at the MACD, guys, the MACD, and I'm not talking about McDonald's, I'm not talking about Big Macs, I'm talking about the MACD indicator has just flashed greeny weeny, and we do see that often when we have the greeny weenies, we do see things going up, guys. So hopefully this will validate that. We still see the weekly candle. We got 6 days, 11 hours left, and it's just kind of like flat over there. So the market hasn't really made a decision in which direction we're going right now. So it could go green, it could go red. That's why I'm staying out of it. It's a lot of chop. Like I said, we are in the choppity chop zone. So if you guys want to get chopped up, take leverage positions right now. Get chopped up, guys. Regret it. So, the market makers are going to wipe out the longs and the shorts, and they're going to neutralize as much liquidity as possible out there. And then they're going to reload, FOMO the markets up. The retail investors are going to go, oh, we're going up forever. Woohoo! And then you guys are going to take long position, whang, bang, chopped. So you guys are going to get chopped. I wouldn't be trading right now in this choppity chop zone. Don't do it. Remember, that's not financial advice. I'm just telling you, I wouldn't be doing that because you will get chopped up. Even experienced traders are getting chopped right now. There's a lot of chopping out there. Chop, chop, chop. Woodchuck, chop, 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 chop. All right. I'll move on. So this is also coming when the scholastic indicators enter the dark zone. The dark zone. It's like, Luke, I am your father, So when the scholastic indicators enter the dark zone, BTC market sentiment enters a dark zone too. So, however, BTC history demonstrates huge profits in 2 to 3 years if we invest in Bitcoin when it was in a dark zone. So every time we get into these dark zones, we can see that 2 to 3 years later, there's a huge pump, guys. So we're entering in this dark zone right now, and we could see huge profits coming out in about 2 years, if not sooner, because the cycles are getting shorter. So we could be seeing like 1 to 2 years because the cycles are getting shorter. And we're in the dark zone right now. So if you're feeling dark, you're in the right zone. You're in the dark zone. In the dark zone. So right now we're seeing a textbook double bottom right now. We had the first one, we had the second one, and we are in the choppity chop zone, and we need to break above the neckline. So the neckline is right here. We need to break above that, and the neckline is around about 21,380. We're not there yet. We're absolutely not there yet. I still think there's much more downside than there is uppity upside. So that's what I'm thinking. So right now, for the price of Bitcoin is still trading sideways at 21,328, and that's a neckline on a weekly. So let's see what's going on, guys. Let's see if we can break it. So right now, total price of Dogecoin, we're seeing that Dogecoin right now is not looking very good at all. We have been here before. We were at these levels before back in April 2021. We were here, guys. So it looks like, and from my perspective, I think that the bottom right now for this cycle is like 5 cents. I don't think we're going to be seeing anything past 5 cents. And you can see that, 5 cents here. We were at 5 cents here, and then that was kind of like the huge support zone where we had this huge bounce for the Doja Warrior. Look, wow, we bounced. So, if I zoom in right now, we can see here. Let me just clean up this chart, guys. Hopefully you can see it. So if you can see here, we've kind of got this resistance. This resistance line here. We did get beat down a little bit with the Doja Warrior. Our lovely meme coin did get beat down from here. I do believe that we got this upper trending support line right here, and I think this is going to hold. I absolutely think this is going to hold, and I still think it's going to take us up to this level, and then we're going to need to break past the 0.27. But I think we're okay. We're okay right now. As long as we stay above this support zone, we'll be fine. And there is some confluence here. If we get below here, then we're done and dusted. We could be seeing 5 cents. So from that perspective, this is kind of like the bottoms, and we see that all the way. That goes all the way back here. And that was when the dinosaurs were around. In case you're wondering how far back that was ages ago. So I'm still looking at Dogecoin right now at 0.66 cents. I'm not saying it's good. I'm not saying it's bad. We just need to keep a watchful eye on things, guys. Don't let the pooch one wild in the backyard without a chain. So if we take a look at our the Dogecoin puppy dog, Shiba Inu right now. So Shiba Inu's, we've got this upper trending line, and as long as we hold support here, then we're going to be going in the right direction. If we break down from that, it's not looking good. We could be going down to 10.47. So keep an eye on that. Ethereum is also, also hugging this line here, hugging the line. So it looks like, and I'm going to change this for Carlos out there. I'm going to make it purple rain line. So this is a purple rain line for Carlos. Much love out there. And hey, Isaac just got over the dreaded lurgy, so he's back on his feet. Welcome. And a big shout out to all the members. Big shout out to Mr. Brilliant in the house. He's been giving a ton of super chats. I want to say God bless you, brother. Thank you for GST. Thank you for super chats. And David Ricine, my man. Hope your back gets better. And much love to everybody. Nick Ann out there. Everybody that's in the chat. Shane, Travis, Elijah in the house. Everybody that's just showing up. Ambassador shows up. And I've got a lot of people that just show up time and time again in the streams. I want to say God bless you and thank you. And we've got a lot of new people that are coming in the stream, so thank you, new people. I appreciate it. Joshua in there, Joseph. Hey, we got Foxy's in there. Red. All the gang members are out there. So I love it, guys and gals. So thank you. So right now we're seeing Ethereum is just above the purple rain line at 1570. We got to, as long as we stay above that, we'll be looking okay. Don't forget we got the merge coming out next month on the 15th of September. I'm hoping that we can get some more pumpage out there because $2,000 is a pretty critical area. We did try to get past that last week when we had to pump, and we didn't do it. We got rejected. So hopefully we can get above $2,000. Hey guys, don't forget, you've got to secure your crypto right now. Get it off centralized exchanges, get it off lending platforms, and get a Nano Ledger wallet. My links are down below. It doesn't cost any more, but the channel does make a little bit of makes a little bit of a commish out there. So I appreciate it. Show some love. Support the channel, guys. And don't forget, we got the charity video that should be coming up in around 5 to 10 days from now. So I'll keep you updated when that's coming out, guys. So it's great. Let's take a look at the leverage. AP Wapers in the house. Look at this, a minty refresh. Make sure we got all the data for you. Want everything to be updated. I want people being updated out there. So right now we're seeing that the 125 million. It's kind of like. Don't forget, we see me futures on Friday as well. We got also the big announcement in terms of inflation data. So keep an eye on that. I think we could see a reversal coming. On the hourly, we've got kind of like 50-50 right now. And this is dangerous because the Hunter Wicks, the market makers could actually do Hunter Wicks up and down to kind of liquidate all of the positions to kind of neutralize the liquidity out there. So it is kind of neutral like that. So this is a danger zone right now. So from the market cap perspective, I think I need to refresh it. I think it needs a refresh. In the house. Today was hot in Bangkok. Hot. So it's right now is 103 trillion, and the market cap is 103, and the volume is about 41.88. And the Bitcoin dollars is going up. We don't want to see that. It was like at 38 and change last week. It's going up again. So a lot of people are moving their liquidity out of the old coins and moving them back into Bitcoin. And that's not good because when that happens, we're going to see the old coins price kind of languish, guys and gals. So we're seeing Bitcoin is down 0.5% almost. Ethereum is getting slaughtered out there. We're seeing XRP is down 88. I mean, I was disappointed. We were like at 50, 52, 55 cents, and we've gone down like a lot in the last 7 days, almost 20%. Solana's down like 22% in 7 days, down 3.5%. Doge Wars down 12 and down 3%. Not right now, not looking good. The Dottie, what's going on over there, is also down, guys. That's not good. And we've got to automatic is also bleeding out as well, and it looks like it's bleeding out on automatic, you know what I mean? And it's down 17%, not looking good. We got the avalanche is an avalanche right now of it's just going down. The price is just like an avalanche, and it's down like a whopping 20% in 7 days and down 2.4. What else we got going on? What else have we got going on? Chainlink is down. CRO is down. I like CRO. What else we got? We got Atom is down. Not as much as Algorand. I like. We got that Mana on the wall. Who is the greatest token of them all? So, I like Mana long term, guys. This is something I have, and it's a good. I think it's good. Not financial advice. We got VET. VET is getting wet. And it's down 18.7%. OMG. ICP, I like it. Got some of that. Sand, got to get some sand. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Chill is also a nice one. And that's about it, guys, from my perspective. So things are not looking good. A lot of red, a lot of carnage out there. But, when there's blood in the street, there's time to be buying. There's a buy zone. Guys and gals, don't forget to follow me on Twitter, guys. Let's get this up to 5,000 followers, guys. Follow, share, and retweet. I appreciate it. And, guys, don't forget to check out all the links. We have the Dogecoin. Get it. And you can find the Nano Ledger link here as well. Become a Patreon member by Channel of Coffee. The link is right there. Click on the link. It's so easy. Go down below the video. Click on the link. Boom, bang. Automatic. You want it. And don't forget to get the merch, guys. Gear up the OG gear. We got the hat. We got the mug. We got hoodies. We got t-shirts. We got everything. We've got the weeknights collection, guys. Get it. The link is also down there to the shop. Whoppy. So I just want to say thank you. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Be safe. I love it. You love it. Peace out.